Hello guys, here is another episode of our Heroes and Generals Manager. My name is Dirk and or Yankske underscore BE. That's the name you can find me on the US TeamSpeak server. I did a lot of work. The character was already done, the assault team section we are working on. So at the moment I think I finished it as long like I wanted it at the moment. I also updated the faction stats, so we're gonna take a look and we're going also to test it. So I put everything back to the default state, like when we run we will only have one infantry on all factions. So let's take a look. The info I'm not gonna, so we're going to first go to the factions. We click on the US faction, like we know the character panel was working. The man and vehicles is not yet working, that I will maybe do tomorrow. The total assault teams must be working. I didn't test it. I set the code but I didn't test it. So yeah, we're going to take a look at it. Same for you see it's the same for all three the factions. We're gonna close the faction statics. Then we're going to the characters, like Germany, Soviet. We're going to the assault team, so we don't have any characters for the moment. So we're going to go back to the characters. On the character, like, we can upgrade the ranking, we can rename him, we can switch from career, we can just click on the button and buy it with war funds, I think it is, no, or with credits, I need to check, or with gold when you do like this. And for example, we're gonna switch him to recon. So now you see it changed to recon and it's counted for my gold. So on the German, but now I'm going to buy, we're going to buy a new character. We're just gonna give him our tester name, Birdie Boy. I'll leave him with the US, make him major, so we have command points, and leave him what would be infantry is good, tankman is good, yeah, could be infantry, yeah, be for the upgrading of the assault teams. So yeah, take a tanker, buy him with the credits. So we buy a guy with our credits. Now we have two guys on here. Here is our Birdie Boy. Now we're going to go to the assault teams. Show the US guys that has command points on them. Then he got 2 command points because he's a major. Then this button is not yet working. That's the only button that is at the moment not working on the whole thing. Okay, yeah, that's true. But okay, that's the command points. That's only to give the 3 extra command points when you do like the ribbon, the war victory ribbon. But the rest of the command points is automatically set when you level up your character. So okay, we have the info view where we can buy a assault team. When this guy is a general, you will have all the listings of all the assault teams. Otherwise, it will be the character type that will be visible, and then when we click on this guy, normally when you have assault teams they will be visible in this screen. So here we go, we're going to buy one. When you just click on the Warfront or the gold, it will be counted down and will use the default name you see over here. You can enter a name, then you will use the name that you give to the assault team. I'm gonna, for this purposes, I'm not going to enter names and stuff like that. I'm just going to, is it working, is it not working? So here we go. Is it working? The buy button in gold in Warfront. Yeah, it's working. The Warfront was counted. Then I know we need to have two to show the ranking. So now I'm going to buy the guy in gold. So voila, the gold is also counting down. So you see, once you click on this guy, the applet appear to buy him, give him a name or use the default name. Yeah, you click on the character to refresh all the those pages. So now we're going to go to the assault teams. So we click on the assault team. We have a modify panel, let me say upgrade modify panel, where you can rename them. Click on the rename icon to set a new name, level them up, and then this is what was not working, so watch the buttons. So I did it, so when you switch it, it automatically say the price on the buttons for that upgrade costs. So the medium tank destroyer, when you know the graphic of the ranking up of the assault teams per class, you know that you can go from light armor to a medium tank destroyer, or you can go from light armor to a medium armor, and then from a medium armor you can go to the heavy armor. So that is what we're going to check now. So we got the light armor, we're going to buy it with Warfronts, doesn't matter. Voila. So now check it. He keeps the same name, so I could also have done it that when he switched to the new assault team class, that it take the default class like now, but then for the like now it's a light armor, then it will be you as one medium armor, for example, or heavy armor. It could be, I could do that, but I think it's better when that you know, like, that guy is that guy. I leveled him up, okay, but the naming that guy is that guy. So, or that assault team is that assault team. So okay, we did it now on this guy, but like you see now, you don't have the upgrade anymore. I need to include this one, I see, but okay, that is just the fine tuning. Then now we're gonna take the other direction from the ranking up or the upgrading of your assault teams. So this guy, or light armor 2, we're going to make the medium armor, so that is correct. Okay, this I will buy in gold. Voila, now you see the gold is also working. That will be everything. The counting done is very important for in the next stages of the developing of the program, because then we're really going to start using the numbers to collect in the profile, or how we're going to build it. I don't know right now, but at the end that is what we need to show on the graphics and everything, and that you know, like, hey, this war I spend a lot of money on this or that, and you can simulate stuff, like if I deploy like 5 guards, 4 medium armors, and 7 heavy armors, what will be my cost in game when I do something like it. So you can always, yeah, that's the purpose of the game, simulating what you going to do or want to do maybe, and and get yeah, diagrams out of it, or something like it. But okay, now that is now a medium armor. So now you can only choose the heavy armor. So now I'm going to do that the same. So now they are both the same at the end of their upgrading. So when they are at the end of the upgrading, okay, without the upgrade text that I forgot, but that's just a minor thing. It's clean. I can maybe also do it on the leveling up the same, like once it's a level 3, that this button will disappear on it, and you only can rename them, for example. That I can also do, but that's, like I say, that's the fine-tuning of the program. That's not really the main headlines that is building up what we got now. So for now I'm gonna do some extra things. I'm going to go back to the character. I'm going to just buy me another character. For this I'm going to buy a general. Doesn't matter, I'm gonna, because we are working now on US, I'm gonna buy him on the US. So this one I'm going to call Jen Gover. Yeah, something like it. I'm gonna buy it with gold. Then I'm gonna update my screen. Yeah, that is maybe something I can do, like on the assault team, on the character team. Also, when you buy him, he will automatically update the screen so it's visible. So okay, but that's also fine tuning. So okay, we got that character sent over, huh? We go back to our assault team, show the US guys. Now on this guy I can buy everything. So I can buy me a guard, recon, oh no, light armor, some pathfinders, and some recon planes. That is what I can do. Then I'm going to do some more. Hold on. Yeah, I'm talking and thinking at the same time, so that's difficult. Hold on. Voila, we have some. Let me see you. We're going to make infantry. Okay. Well, I change it. You we going to make it just for the fun, so, and for some testing purposes. So okay, upgrade that guy again. Voila, and upgrade them again. It's just that we have some, like on the planes is easy. Update that guy to that. Oh yeah, but that is keeping. Oh yeah, that's true. I don't have the icons. Oh yeah, but never mind. Hold on. Fighter squadron. Yeah. I need 2 fighter squadrons. No, that is good. Where is my other 2? Oh, so those 2. So one of those needs to be a heavy guy. Okay. So that is the planes. Then one of these needs to be a paratrooper. Okay, then that light armor guy. Was it light armor? Yeah, that light armor, light armor, light armor. How are we gonna do that? Well, it doesn't matter. Take a tank destroyer. Yeah, leave one light armor like this, and yeah, take that medium armor. Okay, that's good. That's good. Then on the recon side, we have 3 recons. Motorized one, motorized. Okay, the other one we're going to voila. Then we're going to make one of those mechanized. Voila. So now we have a little bit of everything. So now we go to our oh, and look at it, it's working. We have 3 guards, we have 1 motorized guard, we have 1 infantry, 1 motorized infantry, 1 mechanized infantry, 3 recons, 3 recons. Here is something that is not okay, I think. We don't have 3 recons. And 2 fighter squads, 3... no, that is not correct. Hold on. We got again some double counting somewhere. Hold on. That is not a recon. That need to be... or what is possible? Yeah, I know what is wrong. I know what is wrong. I forgot to add the minus. I forgot to... I delete it from the list, but I forgot to lower the counter. Okay. But yeah, okay, basically everything is doing what it need to be doing. So the guards will give the number of your guards. Yeah, it's double counting. Yeah. Because this could be correct, 5, hold on, are we going to count, this could be correct, when we go on this guy. Oi, there is something pretty wrong. He does it again. He did it again. Same problem as before. Oh yeah, then the numbers are correct. We added all the characters to this guy also. He did it again. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's what we are testing, but yeah, mainly the goal I had on the character and the soul team building is basically doing what it need to be done, but this yeah, okay, without the minor fine-tuning issues, but okay, so we can work on the next section from tomorrow. So first going to clean out and test it once more, because I was when I was testing it, I only was testing it on 1 character, so it will do. Hold on, I'm going to stop it. Just stop it. This is just messages I'm sending out, so I'm not going to go in the code in this session, but I'm just going to reload it. Factions 000. Okay, good. Characters. Now we're going to take the German guy, the German faction. Germany. DBDD. Yeah, that's for quick testing. Voila. Oh, so Germany. Buy that other character, the general for this guy. Okay, Soviets. Oh yeah, the name. Beep 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 beep. Yeah, it's quick testing what we are doing now. It's really. Did I not press? Where is my other guy? Did I not press it? Hold on, this is. Did I? I'm gonna go over him again. General. Oh, no. Doesn't know what I did wrong, but okay. So we have the characters. That's good. Then faction statics. Now we don't need to have the American faction. We need to have the German faction. We have 3 characters, 2 infantry, and 1 general. That is correct. Leave it open. Only close the main tab. Now we're going to the assault teams. Show the German guys. You take a guard. Buy him. This is correct. He doesn't do it on this guy. Or he doesn't do it on this guy. Okay, hold on. Buy this guy with gold. Nothing on this guy. Still good. I buy 1 gold, one. Okay. Okay, still good. Yep, still good. Okay, now we're going on this guy. So on this guy we have 5. Okay, now we go here, buy this one. Okay. Still 5. Okay, now we're going to start the upgrading. Maybe it is doubling it in the upgrading. No. No. I see another. Hold on. Okay, no. 2 guards, 1 motorized guard, and a recon fighter, a light armor, that's correct. Pathfinder, hold on, I'm counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. But why when I'm on the German faction? I'm not gonna mess with code. I know where the problem is, so I could fix it easily, but I'm not gonna do it. We're really going to test at the moment. You see? I'm sure I pressed the buy button. Hold on, huh? But okay, it's Soviet doing the same. Perfect. He's not buying the general. Okay, hold on. We don't give up, so. You see, the updating is also not pretty smooth when you do it on. Like when you did now 3 factions buy something. So the buy button seems to. That's weird, eh? You see? 1, 2 is working, the third is not. Something like it. Huh, you see? 3. Characters 3. So there's something went wrong. Same here. 3. So on the UI, yeah, it's correct. On the, yeah, correct. On the US and on the Soviet faction, we had that he was not doing when we click the button. Okay, I'm gonna brain write that down. So US 2. So 2. Okay, so that is a major and a general. So US major general. Okay, here we go. That's weird, eh? Now it's doing it correctly, eh? Until now, it's doing it correctly, eh? because I'm doing it like this guy doesn't have the same like the other guys. So he got the tanks, he got the planes, para. That guy still got the guard unit on it. So now I did not update anything. So normally when I now go on the faction statics, 5 guards, 1 recon. That could be correct. One recon, 1 guard, 2, 3, 4, 5 guards. So yeah, 5 guards, 1 recon. So yeah, that is correct. 4 guards, 2 light armor. Yeah. Only this is not correct at the moment, but 4 guards, 2 recon planes, and 1 pathfinder. So yeah, and a recon. So yeah. Until now, that seems to be okay, but we know that we have a problem in the counter, so we're not reducing the amount when we switch or when we upgrade. Okay, so now we're gonna test the other thing. Take this guy for example. Okay. Weird. Pretty weird. It stays stable. Nothing, no problem this time, so pretty weird. And now we have more assault teams, so more units also, more characters when we are doing the testing, so you see, no problem at all. Okay, this is totally a mess now. Because yeah, hold on, it was on the Soviet faction. So yeah, mechanized 1, but the guard count really doesn't lower the guards. But yeah, the rest is basically, yeah, also the no. So we are basically ready with the main structure, because yeah, you need to have the factions, everything around the factions. Then you need to have the characters from the factions, and then you need to have the assault teams from the characters from the factions. And now this is RTS. This will be, yeah, there's nothing here yet, but this is the next thing. This will be where we're going to try to, yeah, take that calculator and refine the calculator and stuff like that, and save maybe the values and the results, or the value from the results to a file or something, or to a, yeah, a built-in file maybe that you can load back up and compare or so. But now it's going to be basically how are we going to do the, first of all, building this window, how are we going to, what we want to do, how are we going to display it. And so like now it's just an empty display, the graphics is the same. Profiles, yeah, I just put the funny video with all, I put in a tractor and stuff like that. So then yeah, the profiles and the settings is also not filled in, and then yeah, the exit button is working. It is working, but yeah. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, halfway in what we are going to do. Good. So you can always leave a reply, or you can go to our website. Hold on. Let me quickly open a new tab. Drag that tab to this window. Go to 4th Infantry Army. Voila. This is our website. The 4th Infantry.com Army. Yeah, you need to be a registered user to the clan, but normally for talking in this section, I think you don't need to. Yeah, you need to. So yeah, you can leave a reply, or you can leave a reply on YouTube. It doesn't matter, but share your thoughts. So like, yeah, like I say, we were also talking about the auto resolve calculator, but we at the moment don't have enough input to, or have stable correct values to create something like auto resolve calculator. But yeah, maybe everything is possible maybe in the future, so we will see where we end with the program in a final build, let me say. So now we first going to build everything like you see now on the screen. That will be the alpha build. We're going to test everything, maybe delete some, maybe add some, and yeah, put it to our needs for the players of Heroes and Generals, not for other guys. It's just really for Heroes and Generals. I also got like a request of make it for clans, for example, like how many assault teams do our clan own, stuff like that. Yeah, I can maybe build something in it or so, because yeah, this is the main goal. This needs to be done before you can build clan things and build other things, for example. So yeah, I think we are not doing so bad at the moment. So I see I can, yeah, on this guy it doesn't work anymore. So like now I did it on one screen, like for example on the Soul Team screen, he's highest rank, for example, paratrooper peon, and then now the button goes away. Okay, that I need to do, but I can do that also on all the buttons, for example, like on this guy, because yeah, you cannot rank him up, or switch level or switch career. So yeah, why do we need the buttons on there? So now that is what I mean. During development, you see things, and then you come to the conclusion like, hey, yeah, like what I did yesterday. I had a lot of code repeating itself in other functions, or always coming back. So what I did is I create a new function only with that code, and now I'm using the function instead of writing all the code again. Stuff like that. I'm learning. I'm a beginning C sharp guy. Unity for me is a hobby, learning. So yeah, I learned a lot until now. So, and every day I learn something new. So, and it's fun to do. I can, I can build settings, build. Hold on, delete this guy first. This guy also. Delete this guy. Voila. Oh, what we gonna call it? AT test. Oops, going to save that build. No. Takes a while. If it's not crashing, huh? You never know. Okay, it's built, voila. That's our build. Now I'm going to close that, save our project, save all the scenes, close this guy. Now only see where this guy will open. Yeah. So this is a build, so now, oh, it's opening in the wrong screen. It's opening in the wrong screen. Yeah, damn it. It is opening in the wrong screen. So I need to exit this. And that it doesn't open. That's true. Okay, but yeah, that's. And I don't know if I can with my recording screen switch. I would test that quickly. Then we know that also, huh? Can we switch during recording from screen 1 to screen 2? Yes, am I? Let me see. Seems like it. Okay. Yeah, that are crazy images you saw now, but that's because your screen is repeating. Okay, so here we go. normally, if I'm correct, I hope you see it. So this is what the program will look like when it's built. So you see that the icons are a little bit bigger, but it's not readable. These are readable, but they are not readable. So factions, voila. Now I don't find the yeah, I must say the screen so beautiful. So voila, the text is readable. Yeah, okay. Yeah, quickly going to exit because I don't know. Hold on, I'm gonna just switch it back now, otherwise we keep on. Oh, you have black screen at the moment. Voila, I switch it. Okay, voila. Normally we got the old screen back. Oh yeah. So that is at the moment how far we are on the Heroes and Generals manager. So yeah, that is not so bad, I would say. So thanks for watching. Leave a reply, leave your comment on what you think, if it's good what you saw today. So every idea is welcome. Thank you guys. Ciao.